standard deviation, meaning, purpose, and process. There are 4 learning outcomes in this lesson. Before continuing on with this presentation, you should have read the chapter reading along with the following exercises. All assignments are posted on Blackboard along with the homework answers to check your work. Previously you learned about the statistics, center, location, and spread using the 5-digit summary and mean. Today we will learn a new statistic called standard deviation and how the process works. Here are the statistics for the median, and mean of the teachers at your school. This is visual representation of a histogram of this data. Standard deviation, it measures the average variation of the data. Variation is the spread, how close or apart the data is from one another. What is a deviation? A deviation is how far data from the mean. Teacher C is 16 deviations above the mean. Teacher F is 1 deviation below the mean, which is represented as -1. To calculate the standard deviation of the whole data set, 1. We start by calculating the deviations each teacher is from the mean. This is the average process to get one single standard deviation that we get from all the deviations in the data set. 2. We square each deviation. 3. Then take the sum of all the squared deviations. 4. Divide by n-1 where n represents the number of data points in the sample/population. This number is called variance, which is 138 in this example. Because this is square years of age, we take the square root of the variance to get the standard deviation. The standard deviation is 11.8 years in this example, or we can say 12. We can interpret this by stating that the typical math teacher's age is 12 years away from the mean. This is the formula of the process we just did. You can also get this from the calculator using one var stats. Would you say math teachers or Ravens football players are older? Do you think math teachers or Ravens football players have a higher standard deviation? This means, which ages are more spread out? You can see the average Ravens player is about 26 years old with a standard deviation 4. Clearly the math teachers are older and also have more variation of age because their standard deviation is higher. Watch this video of Against All Odds to see how standard deviation is used in real world. Here are 3 interactive activities provided by Geogebra. The first is used to investigate the data points visually. The second is used to investigate the formula algebraically. The third is used to explore and manipulate data. Go to Blackboard. Choose an FRQ. Work/answer it to the best of your ability. Post your work. Then score/critiquing 2 classmates' work.